I spent over $5 million on meta ads, and this is my exact column setup to find good performing ads. Once you start a new campaign, your basic column setup is going to be performance. So column setup is basically showing these columns all the results. So you have a column for the results, for the amount spent, for the impressions. But the problem, the basic setup doesn't give you enough information. You can see the ad set name, when it ends, the bid strategy, but you don't see any click-through rates, any cost per clicks, or any metrics that will help you make an informed decision. You can make it better slightly by using one of the popular presets. For example, performance and clicks. It's going to give you more data. You see the breakdown here. You have CPMs, CPC, CTR. So if you select it, now you can see some more data, but it's still all over the place. This is why I suggest creating a custom column setup so you can change it to your taste. The way to do it is click on columns, and on the drop down, click customize columns. And here you have all the key metrics that you want to use. And then on the right side is going to be the final column setup. It's really easy to change because you can just drag and drop the metrics. And if you want to use some custom metrics, you can also create custom metrics. So by clicking on the custom tab, you can create a custom metric. If there is a tracking that's currently not available inside Meta, but you are looking to track. For example, I can do a conversion rate tracking. For example, if you want to measure hook rate, that's a custom metric you can use. It's going to be 3-second video plays divided by impressions. Next, you can name the metric. So it's going to be hook rate, and you can add a format. This is going to be a percentage, and you can change the access level from only you to everyone with access to this business. So your VAs and end managers can also access this. You can create a metric and then also use this metric inside your columns. Now I'm not going to set up this from zero. I'm going to show my preset, and then you can pause the video and copy it. So my preset is named Skool because I use it to measure the performance of my Skool ads. If I select it, you see I have some custom metrics. This is a conversion rate using purchases divided by landing page views. So I have quite nice conversion rate on this. And if I open the breakdown, you can see how it looks. So my first is attribution setting. I just want to see if I'm using the correct attribution. Delivery is just to see if your ads are running or maybe rejected or paused. Budget, to quickly change the daily budget of your ads. Results is how many purchases you have. I use conversion rate. It's a custom metric to see how effectively my about page converts into paying customers. Cost per result is a basic metric. I see how much it costs to get one purchase. And then the ROAS is a return on ad spend. Amount spent is how much you spent on your ads. I have impressions, reach, frequency, and all the main metrics. For my videos, I also use custom metrics, for example, hook rates or hold rates. I have a different video on the top KPIs that I track. And on that video, I also show you how you can calculate those numbers. So check out that video as well. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below and I'll make sure to respond. I'll see you in the next one.